Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw a pentagonal plane of side 33 mm, which is inclined at 30 degree to VP and perpendicular to HP. One side is parallel to HP. Draw front view, top view, right hand side view. Use third angle method. So when the plane is inclined at 30 degree to VP, first we will draw parallel to VP. So front view will give you true shape. So in this case, pentagon will come down and one side is parallel to HP. So one side of the pentagon will be parallel to XY line. You can use any method to draw a pentagon. Now after drawing front view, you can project all these lines up, and at any distance you can draw horizontal line. So that is top view. So generally we say front view, top view, right? A dash, B dash, here I'm writing dash, here without dash. Generally we write front view, top view, but it is reference view. Remember that. So don't get confused, because we need to draw a pentagonal plate at some angle. Here it is 30 degree. So we can't draw directly inclined. So that's why we draw reference view. And then we'll cut distance on it. We'll mark A, D, and then we'll mark respectively B, C, and E. So this is how you'll get A, B, E, C, D. Then you project this down. A, say you draw vertical line. B, E, C, and D you draw vertical line. And from here you draw horizontal line. So wherever they intersect, A from here, A dash from here, A dash, B, B dash, E, E dash, C, C dash, D, D dash. So you'll get 5 points. And when you join them, you'll get, this is top view. And when you join all these 5 points, you'll get front view. After that, we'll draw 45 degree, because we have to draw right hand side view. So draw 45 degree and project all the points, top view points over there, and then you project vertical. Here also same concept, respectively, whichever points are intersecting with the front view point. See this, you draw line from front view also. So D from here, D dash from here. So that is D double dash. This is C double dash, E double dash, B double dash, and A double dash. So this is right hand side view. So now we need to join this. I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.